Let's draw together. You'll need some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Touch the blinking arrow to get started. Are you ready? Let's draw a teddy bear. Start by drawing a circle at the center of the paper. It's time to draw the nose. Draw 2 little circles like this. Pretty easy, right? Time to make the eyes and tongue. Draw 2 lines for the eyes and a curved one for the tongue. Cool! The ears are like 2-letter U's upside down. For the final touch, color in the nose. Great! You're done!